my god. Bro, we are at the place. This is just unreal. Where is Ethan? I do not know where he went. Yo, did you guys see like a little tiny Jeep come over here? Did he go that way? Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. Yo! This is sick! Bro, I think you might be the most stoked person who's ever come here, dude. Dude, this is like so unreal. I'm so pumped. Look! Like, look at this! Sick! They have so much sick stuff here. I'm trying to be cool. I'm trying to be like an adult. The Colonel is in its element for sure.
But we built this whole place, like when we moved in, it was all one just big empty warehouse. Like you can see from this wall all the way to the end to the front door.
It's a huge space.
It's massive, and we got to blank canvas it. We got to be like, okay, what do we want to build? What we learned from before is that, okay, we would have one build that would come out like a year from now, right, and one build that's coming out next week.
The garage got pretty loud during our tour, but basically they have 3 studios all surrounding the machine shop so people can come in, get their parts done, and take it back to their studio. And they have 3 different studios so they can film videos without showing what's going on in the background on other projects that could take a lot longer.
Yeah, I mean, this is the main shop. This is where kind of our like most frequent builds happen. You'll see like anything that's coming out weekly will usually come out of either this bay or that bay. That's our Rolls Royce, which we're almost done with. This whole thing, we chopped out everything original Rolls Royce and did Art Morrison chassis front and rear, and our guys did the whole tube chassis joining it in. That's cool. So it's Hellcat powered, Magnuson supercharged. Nice. Around 1,000 horse. Kind of our executive ride-along sled.
Very nice to meet you.
Steven, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys.
Just giving them a quick tour.
Oh, cool.
While they're doing beauties outside.
Yeah, it's a lot of broken stuff.
I can relate to that. Basically everything we have is always broken.
Same. So it's not just us.
No, it's not just us.
This is our creative zone. So on the other side of this wall is like editing, marketing, accounting, all the aims. And if you want to meet and collab on stuff, this is the place. So we got that. This is a 1954 Spartan trailer that we got from the desert. We gutted it, made offices. So I got this side, Scott was on the other side. This is our parts room. So once again, you know, machine shop goes into parts room. Right. Parts room can be accessed from every studio. You got fasteners, you got every AM fitting you can need. This is Area 69, so this is kind of our secret build zone. We built our Halo Warthog in here, we built a Rolls Royce in here. Yeah. Now we got Scotto's car getting finished in here. It's no secret that it doesn't run.
Hey, Ron,
hey.
What's Ethan? Ethan, pleasure out. Yeah, good to meet you.
And then it goes straight out to the yard. So we spent months and months and months working on stuff, building it, engineering it. It gets finished, it gets done, you're super proud, and then it gets broken in 2 seconds out there.
Yeah, that sounds like my house. The only difference is, instead of a, what is this, like a 20,000 square foot warehouse or something?
Something like that,
yeah. Instead of that, I have a 20 by 20 foot shop that has no insulation, and the floor is cracked, and then that's where everything gets built, every step of the way. Yeah, you build everything, and you drive it out the door and jump it too hard and break it. Yeah.
Like a 6-wheel something right now?
Yeah, we just bought a 6x6 Ford Ranger. Dude, that's why you got a call from Scott.
No, he got it. Basically, this man takes my death row and gives it life. I'm sure though that my and his Craigslist search history is like really similar. Like we're into the same type of weird fetish.
Well, if you browse on Facebook Marketplace long enough, it just knows that you want to see the weirdest stuff. Like, well, this isn't that. It's actually not even related to that.
But it's available at the same aisle.
What did we just overhear?
We're gonna be like the first ones to light the ramps on fire. This is sweet.
Yo, are you hyped?
Yeah. Slightly nervous, largely just from, you know, doing this in front of this many people. I get really hyped. But sometimes they're really stupid things that I should not do. So I'm trying to not do that.
spent
I
a
mean,
fair
you're
amount of
probably
time
the
driving
best power wheel driver in the world.
it. Yeah, I mean, without a doubt. It's there's not a whole lot of competition.
Just own it. Just be like, I'm the #1 power wheel driver in the world.
I mean, it's true. I am.
Yeah.
I'm the world's best power wheels pilot.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm gonna prep the ramp and make sure we're safe.
Makes it easier to see too.
I'm a safety guy. That's what it says, don't die.
Yo, those landings actually look really smooth.
Oh yeah, that's no problem. That's a lot of gasoline.
Light her up! Hold on, sir.
Well, that was a party.
That was a party. We set some stuff on fire. We jumped a vet.
Set some more stuff on fire.
Set other things on fire. You ripped some donuts.
Did some donuts, did some jumps.
Got real sketchy in here.
Didn't die. We've been trying to get you guys on for a while, so I'm happy
Yeah.
you're finally here.
Yeah, I'm
So,
happy
it's the
we're
same.
finally here, and I was with them when we were here.
Yeah.
You
Now
guys
you've
are
got to
sick,
come back
it's
for this
awesome.
versus that.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, for sure.
What? Let's go.
That thing on this versus that will be super.
Yeah, I need to
I
get
mean,
it.
Awesome.
And
get
how
it on the
quick do you
dyno
think
and
it'll
get
be?
Math says it should go well over 100 miles an hour top speed.
You should get some slicks for it.
Yeah, Hoosiers.
Watching it roll up on some
I-
wrinkles, just like
There are different gears for it, but they don't make them anymore. So
every conversation with him starts normal and then immediately gets into like super technical. I love it.
yeah,
yeah,
yeah, it's
like,
true.
You're like,
I can't
yeah,
just
it's-
explain it surface level. It's been super awesome. Thanks for having us
gotta
out.
come back.
Yeah,
You gotta come
absolutely.
back.
We
That was a
certainly
good
will.
time.
And now we know more people in the area too, so we got.
Like I said, you guys are more than welcome to sleep in our yard whenever you want. I don't
Awesome,
know what kind
yeah.
of invite that is, but here it is.
We would absolutely sleep in here tonight if we didn't have to be somewhere super early in the morning tomorrow. Next time we'll camp out in the
Next
yard.
time on the way back, you're more than
Yeah, or we'll bring our 6x6 Ford Ranger and
See, that's all.
But you guys need an off-road course. You need to
We got to build one. We'll build
gotta-
one outside.
you
We'll
gotta
get some
something.
dirt in the meantime. Yeah, we can build that.
Thank you.
Yeah, it was great meeting you guys.
Yeah,
meeting you.
it's been
Thanks
fun.
for
Sweet.
coming out.
Yeah.
Appreciate y'all.
I never thought I was going to be able to be here. This is awesome.
Heck yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Grind hard. Plumbing company.